Hey everyone, we're going to find the most general antiderivative of the given function and check our answer by differentiation. So here's our equation. The first thing we want to do is just rewrite this, put this x to the 6 under each piece. And so what that gives you is 5x to the negative 6 minus 4x to the negative 3 plus 2. So that's going to be our equation we're going to deal with. We also note that you cannot divide by 0. So for your domain, our domain is negative infinity to 0. It can't include 0 since you can't divide by 0, and 0 to infinity. All right? Or that. That means or. So basically, let's take the derivative. Let's call this big F of x. And we're looking at this piece. So you're going to have, you're going to write down your 5x to the negative 6 plus 1 and divide by that. So negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. All right? And then put your minus 4x to negative 3 plus 1 and divide by that. And that's negative 2. And then you have your plus 2 and you just put the x there. So that's like x to the 0. All right. So cleaning this up, we're going to get negative x to the negative 5. Two negatives here make a positive. So it's going to be plus 2x to the negative 2 plus 2x plus c. Of course, this can be written as negative x, or let's write this one as negative 1 divided by x to the 5th plus 2 divided by x squared plus 2x plus c. Now, since we're dealing with this domain here, let's rewrite this as f of x equals, and we do it piecewise, negative 1/5, negative 1x to the 5th power plus 2x squared plus 2x plus c1 if x is negative, and write it again. Let's just make it in pieces. We might have a different constant, so write constant 2, and that's going to be if x is positive. Remember, it cannot be 0. And of course, to check your solution, we can go back to, let's go back to what we had before. We had negative x to the negative 5 plus 2x to the negative 2 plus, what did we have before? 2x plus c. And let's take the derivative of that. That would be 5x, and if you subtract 1, that would be to the negative 6 minus 4x to the negative 3 plus 2 plus 0, which we don't need that. Constant is 0. And that does give us back to our original function. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.